You can now create high-quality videos for free in just a few minutes without showing your face or using your own voice, using the powerful combination of ChatGPT and Pictory. In today's video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a top-notch script for your YouTube video and then use Pictory to quickly turn that script into a professional quality video. Plus, we'll share some insider tips on how to monetize your videos with affiliate marketing so you can start making money from your content. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the secrets of YouTube success. Welcome to Debt Busters, and welcome to another YouTube video. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. When it comes to going viral on YouTube, 3 key components are required. You first need a good YouTube script, then an excellent title for your video, and finally, a unique YouTube thumbnail. All of this and more can be automated with ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT is a language model made by OpenAI. It uses machine learning to create text that sounds like it was written by a person based on what it is told to write. It works by analyzing a large dataset of text and learning the patterns and structures of the language, allowing it to generate new, coherent sentences in paragraphs that sound like a human wrote them. To use ChatGPT, you type in a question or prompt, and the AI will respond based on how well it understands the language and the situation. The more you use ChatGPT and the more data it has to work with, the better it will generate relevant and on-topic responses. Best of all, ChatGPT is free. You can use this AI to create a faceless YouTube channel and then begin uploading videos. Let me walk you through the process. When starting a YouTube channel, one of the most important factors is to choose a niche, and once you've selected a niche, you'll need to come up with suitable title ideas for videos. The good news is that ChatGPT can assist you with all of these. Depending on your niche, you can ask it for suitable title ideas, and it will provide you with some. We'll have to do it practically so you can see what we're talking about. If your channel, for example, is in the cooking niche, you can ask ChatGPT for YouTube video ideas for a cooking channel. Just type in, "Can you give me 10 video ideas for a cooking channel on YouTube?" And ChatGPT will display example title ideas for you. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Once you've found a suitable idea, you can ask ChatGPT to write your entire YouTube script. For example, you could type into the search bar, "Create a YouTube script for number 2." Then click on Enter. As you can see, your YouTube script will be ready in seconds. ChatGPT will break up the script into an intro and various segments. If you are unhappy with how it is written, request that it rewrite the intro in a different tone. Type "Rewrite the above intro in a different tone." The new intro has an entirely different tone than the previous one. You can read through the written script and choose to use it if you like it. If you don't, you can still request that it be rewritten until you like it. Once you have the script, prompt ChatGPT to expound on each segment of the script. This will make your videos longer while giving your instructions more depth. Enter the command, "Write a step-by-step detailed procedure for segment 1," and the script will be written immediately. Read the segment to make sure that you're happy with it. You can then either copy and paste the segment into a Google Doc or ask ChatGPT to rewrite the segment until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with your script, you can ask ChatGPT to write the script's outro for you. Enter the command, "Write me an engaging video outro in the style of Graham Stiffen," or whomever your favorite YouTuber is, and the outro video will be created for you. Another thing you can do to create a good script is to go to YouTube and look for videos that are doing well and that you would like to remake. Copy the URL from here, go to youtubetranscript.com, paste it, and press Enter. What happens next is that it will give you the script for the video for which you just copied the URL almost instantly. What you'll do next is copy that script and paste it into ChatGPT, where you can give it commands to summarize it, make it more interesting, or even tell it to make a better script. This will result in an original script based on the idea of the previous script. The days of having to come up with brand new ideas, whether for a title, a topic, or a video script, are over. Why? Because you can tell this AI to iterate on someone's idea to make it more interesting. And you don't have to do this for the entire script at once. You could do this for each section of the script. For example, what could you do if you go to one of your competitors' videos and like the intro? You could tell ChatGPT to reword it, make it more interesting, or say it in a different tone. You can tell this AI to do anything, and it will do it effortlessly. We now have everything we need for the script, which includes the intro, body, and outro. Make sure you open Google Docs and copy and paste the script from ChatGPT into the newly opened doc. Next, we need ideas for what a good thumbnail should look like. We'll still ask ChatGPT to give us an idea of what a good YouTube thumbnail should look like for the video. Enter the command, "Give me 3 thumbnail ideas for number 2." The AI has provided 3 detailed thumbnail ideas, which are excellent. You can follow the ideas it will give you, create a quality thumbnail, or give the ideas to a professional freelancer to do it for you with just a few dollars in exchange. Now that we have the script and thumbnail idea, the next step is to create the video we will upload to YouTube. It is very simple to make the video. You do not need to show your face or go around looking for videos to use. You don't even have to use your voice for the voiceover. A software called Pictory, I can help you with that. Many content creators used to outsource different parts of the scripts to varying freelancers for voiceover and video editing. You also had to look for stock-free footage that you could use before Pictory AI. But with Pictory, you won't have to do any of that because everything will be done for you in less than 5 minutes. Let's demonstrate how to convert the script to video. The Pictory link is pinned in the description. This will allow you to try Pictory AI for free. Click on it to access it. When you sign up for Pictory, your dashboard will look something similar to this. To begin creating the video, click Proceed on the Script to Video option. A blank page will appear. This is where you paste the script after copying it from the Word document. You will paste your title, and for your script, you will have to paste it below the title. The script's word count that you pasted is visible in the lower right corner of your screen. Once you've gone through it and determined that everything is in order, click the Proceed button. After you have clicked Proceed, the next step is to choose a suitable template for your video. Browse through the templates, and when you find one that catches your eye, click Select, then choose an aspect ratio of 16:9 and click Continue because we'll be publishing this on YouTube. We'll have to wait a few minutes after you click Continue while Pictory creates the video for us. When it's finished, a page like this will appear. The generated video can be seen on the right side. Pictory has included all relevant videos and audio from the script we submitted. If you want to change one of the clips used in the video, go to Visuals and look for relevant videos to replace the existing one. You can also use your images and video clips from your computer in the video. The next step is to add the voiceover after completing the video. You can either do the voiceover yourself or instruct Pictory to do it. To add the voiceover, click Upload Voiceover, then Voiceover, and select an inbuilt voice to create the voiceover for you. We prefer to use US English, so we click on it. Once everything is in order, you can preview the video before downloading it to ensure everything is in order. The video looks fantastic, as evidenced by the preview. All that is left is to download it and upload it to YouTube. To download it, click Generate, then Video, and your video will begin downloading. So how do you get paid after you've created your videos? People are paid through the ads that appear in your video. However, there are some prerequisites that you must meet before you can join the YouTube Partner Program. To get into the YouTube Partner Program, your channel must have had 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. I recommend that your videos be at least 8 minutes long to accommodate multiple ad breaks. I recommend including an ad every 2 minutes after you've monetized your video, one at the beginning and one at the end. Remember that if your channel is new, you will need more time to earn money. You must first meet the YouTube requirements. In the meantime, you could use affiliate marketing. How do you get links to the products and programs you want to promote? Depending on your niche, there are a lot of affiliate markets where you can find products and programs to market. There are 2 websites to choose from, Digistore24.com and Clickbank.com. Once you've created an account with either of these 2, there are hundreds of products and services to promote. Look for a product similar to what you're discussing in the video, provide the link to it in the description, and pin it in the comments section. All that remains is for you to notify viewers of the links you shared in that video. It is critical to note that if an affiliate product is related to the content they were viewing, the likelihood of them purchasing it skyrockets. As a result, choosing a product related to the video you're creating is critical for earning a second income. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Are you willing to start using ChatGPT and Pictory to create faceless YouTube videos for your channel? Comment down below. We want to hear your opinion on this. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the free course now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to make money using ChatGPT. That, however, says nothing about the top 3 most profitable cash cow YouTube niches in 2023. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know which niches are the most profitable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.